Hello and welcome to Asian Petrolhead. Right now I'm driving 2019 Genesis G80. Today I want to demonstrate something to you guys very quickly. And before I begin, I just want to let you know I'm not trying to mock this car or this brand. I just want to create an awareness. Driving aids are only aid. Now I'm going to activate the lane keep assist. The green light's on and the system is right now activated. Now I'm going to let go of the handle and see what happens. First 20 seconds the car is going to steer itself and behave normally. But after 20 seconds it's going to start beeping and start telling you that you should put your hand back on the handle. Let's ignore that warning again and see what happens. See, now the green light's turned off and it says disabled. So you'll get into a car accident if you ignore that warning. So make sure you always keep your hand on steering wheel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll be back with more car reviews. Thank you.